Python standard library shelve module can generate persistent, dictionary-like objects. The dictionary key must be a string while the value can be any Python serializable object. The extension described in this video provides a unique storage directory that can be assigned with an environmental variable and a set of convenient methods for the module and shelve objects. It can be installed with pip from the repository in the description. For example, a database can be created inside a Jupyter notebook and shared with a Python REPL. This extension provides the method open_default, which opens the database from the same directory. The inspect method prints a table with the key, type of object stored and a one-line representation of the value. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out the description for more information.